Small round body, soft brown feathers that look more like fur, and a long slender bill, almost 4 inches long. But the most unusual detail is at the very tip. The nostrils are located right there. Because of this, the kiwi literally sniffs the ground while searching for worms and insects. This nocturnal bird lives in the forests of New Zealand and almost never flies. Its wings are so tiny they're hard to notice. Yet, the kiwi has another remarkable trait. The egg laid by the female is incredibly large. It can reach nearly 20% of the bird's body weight, like a chicken trying to lay an egg the size of a football. Strange, quiet, and incredibly unique. Cabot's tragopan lives in the subtropical forests of southeastern China, where it favors dense undergrowth and avoids open spaces. Its diet includes leaves, seeds, berries, and insects, and it feeds mainly in the morning and evening to reduce the risk of encountering predators. The male uses a bright blue throat pouch as a visual signal, unfolding it in a strict sequence of movements. And that is what stands out. This is not a chaotic display, but a clearly structured ritual. Their nests are placed in trees, a rarity among pheasants, which lowers the danger from ground predators.